Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to your first virtual assignment, Dog Days of Summer. This is going to be a logic puzzle. I'm going to read you the story and then we're going to work on the clues. Summer Fitzpatrick loves her dog, Sunshine. She especially likes spending extra time with Sunshine during summer vacation from school. Although Summer does not watch television every day, summer vacation is a great time for her to catch up on watch some of her favorite cartoon shows. Guess what appears in her favorite cartoons? Yes, dogs. Read each clue to see if you can match each celebrity dog with the time of day that it appears in one of Summer's favorite cartoons. So these are the dogs. So we have Odie, Pluto, Scooby-Doo, Snoopy, and Underdog. Okay, so here are some of the clues. Number 1, Snoopy appears early in the day when Pluto does. Number 2, Summer almost always eats breakfast sometime between 7:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. Number 3, Scooby-Doo is never on TV during Summer's breakfast. Number 4, Snoopy and Odie are never seen on a 10 o'clock a.m. cartoon show. Number 5, Odie is on a cartoon show earlier in the day than Snoopy's show. Number 6, Summer almost always eats dinner sometime between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. Sometimes Summer watches Scooby-Doo or Underdog while eating dinner. And number 8, Underdog can be seen later in the day than Scooby-Doo. Take those clues and figure out the puzzle. Good luck.